We are on our way to Jim Kitchen. And look, the Nuh Dutty of Jamaica is playing in the background. How cute.
So we're about to pick up our lunch from Jim Kitchen. We dropped off our containers there earlier. Went to get some stuff for the office, and now we're coming to pick up again.
Yay!
Alright.
No, we have forks at the office. Yes, no plastic forks.
You want bags? No bag?
No, we have our bag. And this is Chantal. Yes. So yes, we didn't take any forks either. So we
No
have
forks and no bag.
and no styrofoam.
No styrofoam. Felicia's been friends from us for quite some time, and she have been bringing our own container, which she have. And along with that, she have brought her friend, Nazli Williams, and they both brought 3 containers today. So we're ready to take it about by the end of the month, 10 containers.
Yes.
Yes, and we will continue serving the good food that we do to make our service even more.
What's the name of his kitchen?
It's Jim's Kitchen.
Okay.
Sprite Trading.
We just picked up our lunch from Jim's Kitchen, and we have it in our Nuh Dutty of Jamaica Chica bag. Can't wait to eat, honestly. That's where we're dying at the moment.
Not the styrofoam.
No styrofoam, Nuh Dutty of Jamaica. At Jim Kitchen, which is on 35 Don Robin. It's right by Spry Gym. And we have been ordering lunch from here like 3 weeks now.
Yeah.
Or about that. And at first, you know, we would order lunch from here and they would give us in styrofoam. And then we had our Nuh Dutty of Jamaica, Lincoln Think, and the Jettas made a pledge to stop using styrofoam.
Oh, yeah.
Which is really hard because we love to buy Chinese food, we love to buy box food sometimes, and even some of these restaurants that where it's not box food, is like pasta or whatever you're buying, or tacos or anything, them give you in a styrofoam box.
Right.
And soup and all of that. So Susie went out and bought us containers.
Tupperware. And now every time we're going to have lunch, we call these places to order and tell them we're taking our Tupperwares and that we don't want any styrofoam. So if they tell us that we can't take our Tupperwares, we cut business because we need to make Jamaica cleaner.
Yeah.
Nuh Dutty of Jamaica. So like a few places we've cut them off because they tell us we can't take our containers, and so we just found other options. There's always options, so
There is.
so we just have to. It starts with us. We are environmentalists.
Starts with you.
Exactly. So let's start with us as Jettas. So ban styrofoam. So we've banned it from, that's what, 6 of us,
Yeah.
and
That's about 30
every week.
30 styrofoam containers a week that we've cut down on.
Exactly.
I mean, we weren't really using the styrofoam container every day, but think about it. If 6 people in the office that buy lunch every day and get it in styrofoam,
Exactly.
that's 30 a week. That's what, 120 a month. That's a lot. So we'll have to try.
So Nuh Dutty of Jamaica.